Jose, the three of you are dedicated to developing products that address underserved markets. How does Viblok fit this mission?
Well, as a gynecologist, my focus is on providing and creating new products to give women additional health options. Viblok allows women to live their life responsibly and safely.
Viblok can be used on a daily basis. It makes the skin very smooth. It can be used as a daily product. It can be used as an aftershave after grooming and prior to intimacy.
We tested the product for safety in the laboratory. We had human clinical trials as well to test for safety. And not only did we prove that the product was safe, but we also demonstrated that the cream actually helped to beautify the skin and enhance the natural, youthful luminescence of the skin.